CBS Kapihan presents Pasensya Flores Handicrafts.
My name is Mardron Limbok. I'm 41 years old and I'm currently the owner of Pasensya Flores Handicrafts. Pasensya Flores Handicrafts is the name of my mother-in-law. So to date, we're running 26 years na. It was a hard time for us when we started the business because nung nagkasakit kasi yung father-in-law ko, napasa sa amin yung responsibility taking the business. Kasi when the weavers asking us, paano gagawin nila nung nawala na si father-in-law, sinong tutulong sa kanila, ano na yung gagawin nila. Actually, yung history namin ng wife ko, we are both working abroad. We're working there, malaki yung kita abroad, maganda yung position namin working there, pero may mga taong kailangang magpatuloy sa pagtatrabaho. At ito na lang yung alam nilang gawin sa kanilang lifetime. Tumanda na sila sa pag-weave ng mga basket. So that's why we decided na tumigil na sa pag-abroad and we start continuing the business.
To help with the difficult decision and transition, Pasensya Flores Handicrafts sought help. What they found, however, was a partner that would stand by them through thick and thin.
Mahirap na desisyon, and one good thing happened to us. We got a partner. Napunta kami sa partnership with the China Bank Savings. Sila yung unang nag-introduce sa amin about RCL, yung revolving capital loan. That time, when we started the business, talagang, I could say, we're on the negative side of the business. One good thing about the business, it has a clientele. We have sets of client na magsusuplayan. We have workers to work on. But the only problem is the capital. Where are we going to get that? China Bank Savings, tumawag sila sa amin, pumunta sila dito at nag-offer ng revolving capital loans. It was like match made in heaven for us. May mga tumatawag, kaya lang upon checking on their rates, China Bank Savings lang talaga yung pinaka-competitive for us. Na pwede kami mag-start, pwede kami mag-move, pwede kami gumawa ng mga bagay na pwede namin gawin. So that was a big blessing for us when we start the business actually.
Through its partnership with CBS China Bank Savings, Pasensya Flores Handicrafts thrived.
Percentage-wise, when we had China Bank Savings, it grew like 30 to 35% of our sales. Nung meron na kaming RCL, kasi kaya na namin kumuha ng iba pang project eh. Yun yung one good thing about it. Hindi na kami medyo natatakot na wala kaming gagamitin na pang-revolve. Kasi nandyan siya. Nandyan yung revolving capital loan namin to help us. Well, 50% of our sales right now is coming from the supermarkets, especially this season. Kasi they are the one who's ordering bulk talaga. Actually, we're designing basket. Inspiration namin is yung travel, locally, or yung watching movies, ang dami makukuha. You just need to open your eyes. Internet, they're very open now. One good thing about them, they always get in contact with us. They're always asking, kamusta yung business? Kamusta? How can we help you better? Yun yung one good thing about them. Parang we feel at home with them.
As an account officer ni Pasensya Flores, parang partner na din tayo ni client sa business. Gusto nating makita yung paglaki ng negosyo, kung paano mag-i-improve, kung paano pa nila pagagandahin. From a simple basket weaver, ngayon si Pasensya Flores nagsa-start na siya to the exporting business.
Pasensya Flores Handicrafts has been our client since 2017. It was a referred account by our SME lending group, yeah. And then we have the check, the RCL check facility kasi during that time kami yung may available check. So I'm very happy naman na sa akin napunta yung client, and since then, yan, nagkaroon na kami ng magandang business transaction with Pasensya Flores.
Thank you. Actually, sa estado ng business namin ngayon, a lot of banks is asking for kung pwede sila mag-present sa amin ng loan. Pero since they are the one who started it, ang consideration namin talaga sa kanila palagi.
I think sobrang nag-fit sa kanila yung facility na na-offer natin sa kanila, that is the revolving credit line na nagamit nila sa business nila to grow talaga. I think first yung talagang personalized service natin sa mga clients na we treat them always, all clients as VIP clients talaga. Kahit lalo yung sa business, talagang ano yung kailangan nila, we support them. Sa tawag nila, ano ang kailangan mo, pupunta kami dyan. If we can deliver it, we will deliver it. And I know na the next generation, mame-mention nila yan na ang CBS ang tumulong sa amin sa business.
The people behind Pasensya Flores is actually very busy people. Sila ang mismong umaattend on the trade fairs, sila ang nagpupunta sa mga provincial weavers nila, sila yung mismong nakikipag-meet on the clients, and sila din yung mismong mga bumibili and pumipick up ng mga raw materials. And yun yung nagiging challenge natin. Minsan, meron silang mga overlooked payments, which as an account officer, yan yung responsibility natin na ma-monitor natin yung account nila. At the same time, ma-remind natin sila on their dues. So a simple call, a simple SMS, this can help the client to maintain their good credit standing with the bank.
So parang yun yung gusto namin kasi sila yung nandyan nung kailangan namin sila. So hindi kami aalis kung kailangan din namin, kung kailangan pa nila kami. So yun yung napaka namin, na partnership with China Bank Savings.
Now, Pasensya Flores Handicrafts is looking to the future, a future in partnership with China Bank Savings.
Ang estado ng business namin ngayon, I could say, in 5 years, we're looking at exporting na. More of exporting our products in different parts of the world. So we're joining the basic exporting and all the aspects comes with it. Ina-absorb namin siya para pag kami na yung sumalang, alam na namin yung gagawin. Ready kami. Products namin ready. Financially, I think we are in good hands with China Bank Savings na tutulungan nila kami when we reach that exporting process.
For Marjon and Pasensya Flores Handicrafts, the path of entrepreneurship has been hard, with many, many challenges. But the rewards have been very fulfilling.
Yung thought na I was with my family, my child is growing with me, na kasama ko sila all the step of the way, I think it's most rewarding for us. And also, giving back to the community of weavers na tinutulungan namin. Nakikita ko na mga weavers namin nakapagpatapos na ng mga anak nila sa school. So parang yun yung isa sa mga rewarding part na meron ng Pasensya Flores Handicrafts. And we believe and we want to continue that. Well, having business is actually not easy. So you just need to stay focused. You need to be hands-on. So yun yung mga kailangan mo to start the business. Kasi hindi lang pwede puro lakas ng loob. And also, ang isang pinaka-importanteng part of having business, look for a mentor and look for a partner na makakatuwang nyo in all aspects ng negosyo ninyo para mas madaling gawin yung mga bagay sa negosyo.